In today's video, I'm going to show you how to utilize advanced filtering and sorting in Monday.com so you can instantly find the exact information you need and keep your boards organized like a pro. If you're managing multiple projects, tasks, or team members, learning how to filter and sort properly can save you hours every single week. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to apply powerful filters, sort your data efficiently, combine both features for precise control, and save custom views for future use. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Monday.com and go to the board you want to filter or sort. This could be a project management board, a CRM board, or any workflow you're currently working on. Once you're inside the board, look at the top menu bar where you'll see options like Filter and Sort. We're going to start with filtering. Click on the Filter button at the top of your board. This opens up the filtering panel where you can define specific conditions. Now choose the column you want to filter by. For example, you might select the Status column. After selecting the column, choose a condition. For instance, you can set it to Status is in progress if you only want to see tasks that are currently being worked on. You can also filter by date columns, such as Date is before today, which is great for identifying overdue tasks. The power of filtering comes from narrowing down exactly what you need to see without deleting or permanently changing any data. You're simply customizing your view. You can also add multiple filter conditions by clicking to add another rule. For example, you might filter tasks where status is in progress and priority is high. This gives you a very specific subset of items, so you can focus only on what matters most. Once your filters are applied, your board will instantly update to display only matching items. Now let's move on to sorting. At the top of the board, click on the Sort button. Sorting allows you to organize items in a specific order based on a column. After clicking Sort, choose the column you want to sort by. For example, you might select the Due Date column. Then choose the order, ascending or descending. Ascending will typically show earliest dates first or lowest numbers first, while descending shows the latest dates or highest numbers at the top. Sorting is extremely useful when you want to prioritize tasks, organize by timeline, or quickly identify top or bottom performers in a list. You can also apply sorting to other columns, such as priority, name, numbers, or even status, depending on how your workflow is structured. Now here's where things get really powerful, combining filters and sorting together. Start by applying your filters to narrow down your data. For example, filter by status is in progress and assign to a specific team member. Once the filtered results appear, apply sorting on top of that view. You might sort by due date in ascending order, so the most urgent tasks appear first. This combination allows you to create highly focused, organized views tailored to exactly what you need in the moment. Finally, once you've configured your filters and sorting exactly how you like them, you don't have to recreate them every time. Click on Save View at the top of your board. This lets you save your current setup so you can access it again with one click. Give your view a clear name, such as High Priority In Progress Tasks, and save it. Now, whenever you need that same filtered and sorted layout, you can switch to it instantly. And that's how you utilize advanced filtering and sorting in Monday.com to take full control of your boards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.